Okay, I'm going to be testing whether or not Magic Find is locked into zoning, because when the popular theory is that when you zone, Magic Find is locked in to reduce real-time calculations on gear. Now, Magic Find affects the quality of gear. Right now, I have 23,356 Magic Find, so I should be seeing mostly purples, some yellows, every once in a while a blue, but absolutely, positively no whites, which is pretty much the case. Yep, see all the purples being dropped. See if I can get a good group together. A few blues there, here and there. Got my legendary. Yeah, you see all the purples though. Okay, this is kind of the control. All right, so you get the idea. It's almost probably about 50% purple, and then split 25 and 25 with blues and yellows. Yeah. Okay, but no whites. So I wanted to figure out how could I test whether or not it's locked in. So what I'm going to do is completely remove all Magic Find. So I'm taking off all my topazes. Now when I remove all my Magic Find, I have 202 Magic Find, and I'm not entirely sure where that other Magic Find's coming from, but it's there. Hold on. Alright, so take off Francis, put on Humper. Take off my Australium. And the last thing, Emblem of Greed. Destroy that. Okay, so I am at 200 Magic Find. 202. Now we will dungeon reset. So now with this little Magic Find, I should be seeing whites, blues, and a few yellows. Yeah, see, I'm actually seeing a white, which I wouldn't have never seen before with 23,000, which so it looks like Magic Find is working as intended. Kill a few more, just so you can see all these blues. I wasn't getting nearly this many blues and a lot of fucking whites. Okay. Pretty much you get the idea. Whites and blues, whites and blues. Alright, so let's put Magic Find back on and see if it affects the zone I'm in, which will definitively prove that getting a Golden Fortune in Forgotten Realm is either useless or not. Because when you get in a Forgotten Realm, you cannot dungeon reset. So there's really no point in it. I hate this part. It takes forever. Alright, Francis. And let me leave my emblem. And then put on my Australium. And I should be back at 23,000 Magic Find. Yep, okay. So with this, I should not be seeing any whites at all. But I'm seeing whites. So this tells us that it is locked in to the zone. So that's it, right? Almost. And I'm not sure if this is entirely a thing, but I'm going to see. Because I do have a question. I thought about this, and Because the thing is, like when you're overworld farming and you get a golden fortune, you could just zone into a shit ton of areas and have it locked in. Let me just make sure of this. Okay, yeah. So it's not changing. What happens if I leave, if I zone out, and then zone back in? Well, I should be seeing what I was locked in to begin with, right? Uh-oh. Why am I seeing purples? So, here's the thing. I think I'm not seeing, well, no, I'm actually seeing a lot of purples. So, if you zone out, it goes back. It does it again. It calculates it again. So you cannot zone into a new zone, get that magic find, then go into another zone, get that magic find. It's going to be locked in to that zone until you zone out. So let's say you're overworld farming and you get a golden fortune and you go to, Forest 1 and then go out, and then go to Forest 2 and go out. It's not going to work. So as soon as you zone out, even if you have to run back to town or something like that to empty stuff, it's going to reset to back to what you have. So you cannot zone out once you do it. That's what I'm seeing. If y'all see something different, please let me know. And if y'all have any questions, just leave them down in the comments, and I'll get back with y'all. Have a good one.